Hi everyone, this is Gunny Dhadyalla. I am the Network Director for AESIN, the Applied Electronic Systems Innovation Network. I'm joined today by Jeremy, who's works for Easy Fares, and we've been collaborating for a few years now, Jeremy and I. Jeremy, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Gunny. Nice to be here.
So Jeremy and I are again working together on a particular event next year, the Southern Manufacturing Electronics Show. And I'm going to ask Jeremy a little bit about what the event is and how the TechWorks community can get some benefit from being there themselves. So, Jeremy, first question. Tell me a little bit about the history of the show and where it's going to be this year and when.
Yeah, hi, Gunny. Thanks for that. Yeah, Southern Manufacturing and Electronics is quite a well-known show in the electronics and industrial technology sector. It's been going now, I think, for at least 25 years in Farnborough, at the actually at the Farnborough Airport, where they actually also hold, of course, the Farnborough Air Show. But it has its dedicated exhibition centre that it's held in there. On the this year, well, I should say 2026, it is 3rd to the 5th of February. So looking forward to it.
Excellent, excellent. And just give me an idea of the number of people that come and the types of companies that are represented and the sectors as well, because I think that's of particular interest to our members, given
Mm,
that we
mm.
are expanding our reach beyond automotive.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. And although it's so established, it still continues to grow actually. So this year we'll have about 500 exhibiting companies on the show floor, and approximately 10,000
Wow.
attendees over the 2 to 3 days.
Mhm.
Yeah, it will be buzzing as usual and very
Mhm.
busy. Hmm.
And what sectors are represented?
Yeah, um, it's very much a core of industrial technology, manufacturing. So you get a lot of people who are involved in high value manufacturing, advanced
Hmm.
manufacturing, ultimately perhaps in sectors especially like aerospace,
Hmm.
automotive, and increasingly other parallel sectors, rail, marine, civil, energy, who are really looking for new vital technologies
Hmm.
that will help them continue to become more competitive in a very tough global market. So visitors might
Hmm.
range from OEMs like Jaguar
Hmm.
Land Rover, Airbus, Rolls-Royce, through to SMEs who are really, some might be small organizations who are really
Hmm.
looking to continue to be as competitive as possible with their fabrication or electronics components,
Hmm.
subsystems, etc. So many electronics engineers, design engineers will be
Hmm.
there, manufacturing engineers, production engineers, and senior management too.
Very interesting. Thanks, Jerry, for that. So you mentioned about exhibition spaces and speaking. So I know in the past we've worked together and we've created panel sessions around electronics,
Mm,
for
mm.
example. Could you just explain how TechWorks members can take advantage of the opportunities? So we talked about speaking, we talked about exhibitions, and any special
Yeah.
offers you may have for them.
Yeah, absolutely. And you mentioned presentations, which is one great example. We're getting close to the show now on the 3rd to the 5th of February, of course, but we do still have some presentation slots if any of your members were interested. And Also, as you say, we're almost full on the show floor, but we can always also have some nice, well-placed spaces for exhibitors
Hmm.
if they were interested in coming on board still for this year's show. We do a special discount for ASIN and TechWorks members, which involves a 10% discount off the space of the stand. So we would always be able to do that for you as well. And as I say, the option potentially of a speaker slot based on availability.
Fantastic. So thanks very much for that, Jeremy. One last thing, maybe you can summarize, the three key reasons why TechWorks members must attend this event.
Yeah, and I mean, if you're perhaps an OEM or tier one organization, it's free to attend as a visitor, where you'll really be able to source some of the latest
Hmm.
components and technologies that will help you to either become more efficient in your manufacturing process, and compress your time to market,
Hmm.
reduce some of the high manufacturing costs
Hmm.
through electronic device sourcing, things like additive manufacturing technologies, design
Hmm.
technologies, AI, robotics and automation. And of course, if you're further on in that supply chain as a supplier, feeding up to those organizations, it's a must attend as an exhibitor, because you'll
Hmm.
meet thousands of decision makers who are looking to solve the problems that you have a solution for. So you'd be getting electronics design engineers through,
Hmm.
manufacturing engineers, production, design engineers, senior management as well, of course. Um, so I would say it's the largest gathering of under one roof, annual
Hmm.
gathering of industrial technology, manufacturing,
Hmm.
production, engineering, and management for high value manufacturing in the UK. Yeah,
Phenomenal. Well, I'm really excited. I am actually going to be there. So we've committed to hold a session on power electronics. So we've got
fantastic.
some
Looking
great
forward to it.
guests.
Hmm.
And so yeah, I urge TechWorks members, ASIN members to have a look at the show. Get in touch with Jeremy. We'll share the details. And
Great.
we look forward to seeing you all there. So thanks, Jeremy. We'll see you soon.
Thank you, Gunny. Pleasure. Look forward to
Take
it.
care. Thank you.